You're so exhausted after work that the thought of starting something extra makes you want to cry a little. I need to reframe something for you because I used to think building extra income meant sacrificing even more of myself. My name is Michelle, mom of one. More late nights, more pressure, more hours I didn't have. And after leaving my corporate job after 20 years while trying to rebuild my life and still show up as a mom, I honestly didn't have the energy for hustle culture. That's why affiliate marketing made more sense to me because I could learn it in the small pockets of time. 20 minutes here and there through my day. On lunch breaks, after school, pick up while waiting in the car before bed when the house finally went quiet, and slowly those small moments started building skills I never had before. I learned how content works, how people build trust online, how digital products are sold, how to stop consuming and actually start creating. And that's the part nobody explained clearly enough to me in the beginning. You don't need huge amounts of time to start. Something you need is just a clearer starting point and a willingness to use that little moments you do have. Come and start and I'll show you the way I started learning these skills online.